Here we go, team and family. We're on the last video for comparing and ordering rational numbers, example number 4. Out of 45 times at bat, Raul got 19 hits. Find Raul's batting average as a decimal rounded to the nearest thousandth. So out of 45 at bats, he had 19 hits. To change that from a fraction to a decimal, I'm going to go ahead and put my division bar. Put 19 inside and 45 on the outside. I'm going to add a decimal above and below the line and add zeros, and here we go. 45 cannot go into 1, so I'm going to put a 0. 45 cannot go into 9, or 19 I should say, so I'm going to put a 0. I'm going to put 45 times 0 is 0. 19 minus 0 is 19. 45 goes into 190. I think it's 3 times, so I'll do 45 times 3. 3 times 5 is 15, and 3 times 4 is 12 plus 1, 3. 135. So maybe it can go in one more time, so let me add 45 to that. 5 plus 5 is 10. 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 1 is 8. And then bring down the 1, that's 180. So 45 goes into 190 4 times. 190 minus 180 is 10. Bring down another 0. 45 goes into 100. 5 times 2 is 10. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. 45 goes into 100 2 times. 2 times 45 is 90. 100 minus 90 is 10. Bring down a 0, and then 45 goes into 100 2 times again. 100 minus 90 is 10. Looks like it keeps going. It says round to the nearest thousandth. So the first one is the tenths, hundredths, thousandths. Now if I'm going to keep dividing, I'm just going to keep getting 2. So I look at the number to the right of the thousandths, which is 2, and since that number is 4 or less, the number before it stays at rest. So I'm going to leave it as 422 thousandths. Alright, we're going to work one more problem. We're going to work number 15. A city sales tax is 700 700ths. Write this decimal as a fraction and tell how many cents of tax are on each dollar. So city sales tax is 700ths. Write this as a decimal, or write this decimal, as a fraction. I'm going to put the 1 below the decimal point and then add zeros below each digit. So I know that it's 7, not tenths, but hundredths. So I'm going to put 7 over 100. And then it says, how many cents of tax are on each dollar? There's 7 cents for every 100 pennies. So every time you give 100 pennies, or $1, you're going to pay 7 cents. And those are my two answers.